We're back! What's up, guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, we are finally back in action after how many weeks? A lot of weeks. We are back with a very requested video, and that is more dorm room cooking. What are we making, Sal? Fettuccine! Woo! Yeah. Let's get cooking good looking. So first off, we're gonna start by showing you what ingredients you will need to cook fettuccine Alfredo in a dorm room. What do they need, Tasheonna?
You need some fettuccine noodles.
Oh.
Some sauce. Need some Parmesan cheese. Chicken.
Yeah. Butter flavored cooking spray.
You don't need that. Water, need some bowls, and you need some salt and pepper.
The first step is going to be put the fettuccine pasta into the bowl. So the next step is going to be to add water. Now this is a very critical step because if you do not add water, you will blow up your microwave. Be sure to add enough water so that the pasta will actually boil. Now we are going to season this. So we're adding a little bit of salt, pepper. And now we are going to do everyone's favorite thing, which is a time lapse in the microwave. All right. We're gonna cook this for, okay, but here's a time lapse of it. Okay, so we heated up the noodles. Now we're gonna heat up the chicken while she drains the noodles, and then we're gonna heat up the sauce, and then we're gonna mix it all together. Okay, so we have the chicken heated up, the sauce heated up, and the noodles heated up. Now we are going to mix everything together and then heat it up just one more time. Now we're going to use what flavoring material we have, and
Pepper, just a dash more salt, and some Parmesan cheese.
yes.
You gotta always cook your noodles with some salt. You gotta put all the pepper in because you know it gives it a spice.
Okay.
It smells good. It looks a little plain, but it smells good.
We should put a little bit more on the top and put it back in the microwave so it, like, you know, gets all melty.
Go back in the microwave.
You got it. Alright, so this is it. It is time to try the fettuccine Alfredo. Overall, I'd give this like 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, that's good. I definitely like mine a little bit more creamy.
Yeah. I kind of dried it when I put it back in there.
Yeah, but the flavor is still really good. You can taste the salt and pepper, which tastes good. Parmesan gives it a good taste.
And the chicken I had like a nice seasoning.
Yeah, her chicken was really good. This fettuccine Alfredo recipe is officially dorm room approved. If you're bored, want some pasta, this is the perfect recipe. If you enjoyed this video and like us doing dorm room recipes, be sure to give this video a thumbs up so that we know to make more. Also, if you like the content we're posting, be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you click the bell notification so that you'll be notified every time we upload a new video.
Do that.
Good. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Bye!